Kimchi, a traditional Korean fermented vegetable dish, offers numerous health benefits, including rich in probiotics. Kimchi contains beneficial bacteria that aid digestion and improve gut health. The fermentation process produces probiotics, which can balance gut flora and enhance digestive health. It will boost immune system. The probiotics in kimchi can strengthen the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections. Additionally, the garlic, ginger, and chili used in kimchi have antimicrobial properties. Kimchi is low in calories and high in fiber, which can help in weight management that will support weight loss. The fiber content promotes satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating, improves heart health. The ingredients in kimchi, such as garlic, are known to lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Additionally, the fermented nature of kimchi may help reduce blood pressure. Rich in antioxidants, kimchi is packed with vegetables like cabbage, radishes, and onions, which are high in antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. The capsaicin in chili peppers, a common ingredient in kimchi, has anti-inflammatory effects that can reduce inflammation in the body. Potential cancer-fighting properties. Some studies suggest that the bioactive compounds in kimchi, including flavonoids and glucosinolates, may have cancer-preventive properties. These benefits make kimchi a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more health vibes.